Hi everyone, Lucas with nasilvawealth here, and today I'm very excited to be doing the second part of our BRRRR renovation series called Cashflowing Like a Beast. If you haven't seen Darcy do the first one, check it out. It's on our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. And while you're there, also subscribe because we're coming out with some great new content and more ROI videos like this because we're just in the late stages of a couple projects. So today I'll be breaking out how we've gotten a return of 250% on this specific project. So there's 4 components when calculating your ROI. The first piece, the active appreciation. So the additional value that we've added to the property above the renovation is $57,500. The second piece, the cash flow, just like the title says, it's cash flowing at $677, and that's after the refinance. The third piece is the passive appreciation. We'll use the standard 3%, although London is growing at a significantly higher rate, 14% over the last 3 years. That results in $13,800. And the final piece is the principal recapture, so the mortgage gets paid down just under $7,500 in the first year. If you take all 4 of those components and you add them all up, that results in just under $87,000 or 250%. And then if you were to project the passive appreciation, the cash flow, and the principal recapture over 5 years, that results in $212,000 or 605%. Returns like that are why we love to invest in real estate, and specifically the BRRRR strategy. One thing we'd love to hear from you about is how successful have your projects been and what types of ROI are you getting? So leave us a comment. And finally, if you have any questions or if you'd love to learn more about potentially partnering with us on future joint ventures, also don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video today and hope you have a great day.